You shouldn't be hitting mommy like that. Give me a kiss. Go, mwah. Did you have a good day at school?
No.
Do you love mommy? Livy, do you love mommy? Livy, did you have a good day at school?
No.
Did you have a good day at school? Olivia, did you play with new friends? Bye. Livy, Liv, I love you.